Alright. Okay, hey, I'm kind of like done with the project already. I started working on it and I got all the fundamentals in. It's named SRTC Jeopardy. As you can see, at this point, I'm pretty much done with the project and I'll just change based on whatever you want, right? And if you're good with it, then yeah, this will be the final version. Okay, so we can start the game. Um, it has like a template system on it, so you can save and load previously created templates, right? So we don't have any templates created yet, but there is a default template. If you type a hashtag default and load template, that will load this template, um, and you can change these numbers if you want, but by default these are the actual numbers, right? And you can see in editor mode currently, press right shift to flip the cards. So I can actually press right shift and change the text here, which can be the question or description, you know. Um, it could be something like, oh, well, I'll just say, what is your name? You know, and also you can change the categories, right? You can change it to something like science, history, um, yeah, you know, basically you get the gist of it. And press right shift again to flip the cards, and maybe you want to change something here and make this 5,000 instead, and make this, I don't know, 200. And yeah, and if you want to start playing the game, you just click escape and you just hit enter play mode. So this basically puts the game in play mode, and you can see uh, the numbers are visible, but you cannot edit them anymore. However, if you click on the cards, they flip over and show you the description, like this, right? And also, you can enter edit mode again if you press escape and enter edit mode. And I made this copy to all button, so you can put something like, you know, maybe you want this on a different base number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you hit copy to all, this is gonna copy the horizontal rows. And last thing is saving. You can save the templates. I'll just name it test. And okay, I saved it. And let's go back to the start menu. And you can create a new template, which is this, basically initialized to 00 and sample description. Or let's go back to start menu again, load the test template that we created. So I type in test and hit load. You can see it loads our little template. You can see it also saves our descriptions here, description or questions, whatever, and the little category titles. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go back to start menu, and oh, I'll show you how you can share the files. So for example, you created this test, right? You can load it. However, someone else who has it on their machine, like on a local machine, cannot. So quit. You'll have your little folder, whatever this folder is going to be called for you. I'll just call it SRTC Jeopardy. This is the root folder. This is where you start the game from. And here you'll find this folder, SRTC Jeopardy Data. Do not change the name of this folder. That's going to mess up the data loading and saving system. If you go in here, you'll find this templates folder, and you'll find your little file. So you can share this with someone, this test that you have. If you open it, well, I'm opening it with Visual Studio. It's basically the data of the whole session. So you can share it with someone else, and they can put it in their templates folder. So they'll have this, and they can put the file in their templates folder, and when they load the game, they can also load that data in with the name, right? That's basically it for now. Let me know if you want something changed. The game doesn't currently have any music, but I don't have any preference for any music, so it's really up to you whether you want music or not. Alright, just let me know if you want something changed.